Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Stoic Life Guide. Are you tired of feeling like you're chasing someone who barely notices your presence? Do you want to flip the script and make her think about you even when you're not around? Well, today we're diving into 5 powerful psychological tricks rooted in Stoicism that will make any woman miss you and crave your presence. So grab a seat and listen closely, because by the end of this video, you'll hold the keys to her thoughts. Now next up, the first trick is master the art of absence. You see, the ancient Stoics taught us the value of self-restraint. When you're constantly available, your presence loses value. But when you intentionally pull back, whether it's by not texting first or taking time for yourself, you create a gap. And guess what happens in that gap? She starts to wonder about you. She'll start missing your presence because you're no longer predictable. Next up, create emotional anchors. What does this mean? It's all about crafting memorable experiences with her. Make her laugh during a spontaneous moment or share a deep, meaningful conversation she can't forget. These emotional anchors will stick in her mind, making her associate positive and powerful feelings with you long after you've left the room. Number 3, be mysterious. People are naturally drawn to what they don't fully understand. If you lay all your cards on the table too soon, there's no intrigue. Instead, practice the Stoic principle of discretion. Share enough to keep her curious, but never reveal everything. Let her imagination work overtime, filling in the blanks about who you are and what you're thinking. Trick 4 is all about unshakable confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Women are naturally drawn to men who are self-assured and secure in themselves. But here's the twist. Don't just fake it. Build it. The Stoics believed in focusing on what you can control, like your mindset and actions. When you radiate calm and collected energy, she'll start to feel that losing you would be a big mistake. And finally, live a life she wants to be part of. This is the ultimate trick. Pursue your passions, work on your goals, and cultivate a life of purpose. When you're busy building something meaningful, you naturally become more attractive. She'll start thinking who are fit into his world. This is what separates the men who are chaste from the ones who chase. Have you ever wondered what makes a woman really miss someone? It's not about gifts, endless compliments, or even looks. It's about how you make her feel when you're not around. Today we're exploring 5 powerful psychological tricks inspired by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism to make her think about you day and night. These aren't manipulative games. They're about becoming a better, more magnetic version of yourself. So stay tuned to learn how to be the man she can't stop thinking about. The principle is rooted in a concept called the law of scarcity. What's rare is valuable. Imagine her favorite dessert. It's special because she doesn't eat it every day. The same applies to you. If you're constantly available, replying to every text within seconds, always saying yes, you're sending a message that your time isn't valuable. Stoicism teaches us the importance of self-retreat. Practice being selectively unavailable. If she messages you, don't always respond instantly. If you spend time with her, make it meaningful, then step back. Let her feel your absence. It's in the silence that curiosity and longing grow. Here's something few men understand. Women don't just miss people, they miss the feelings those people create. That's why it's critical to leave her with positive emotions every time you interact. Instead of mundane conversations or surface-level texts, focus on being present, funny, and thoughtful. Make her laugh with a clever joke or make her think with a deep question. The Stoics believed in living intentionally, and this applies to relationships too. By creating meaningful moments, you become unforgettable. Keep her guessing. Curiosity is one of the most powerful emotions, and when a woman feels it toward you, she's hooked. Avoid oversharing everything about your life too soon. Instead, drop subtle hints about your passions, experiences, or goals, but leave room for her imagination. For example, instead of saying, "I spent my weekend hiking," say something like, "I discovered a place over the weekend that was worth the climb." Watch her lean in, wanting to know more. This is what Stoicism calls measured speech sharing, with intention and purpose. The Stoics believed that true power lies in self-mastery, and one of the most attractive traits you can develop is emotional independence. Women are naturally drawn to men who don't rely on external validation. Here's a powerful shift. Instead of worrying about what she thinks, focus on what you value. When she sees that you're confident, secure, and unaffected by petty drama, she'll respect and desire you more. This doesn't mean being cold. It means being composed. And when you're composed, she'll start to crave your steadiness. And finally, the ultimate psychological trick: be a man of purpose. This isn't just about her. It's about you. Are you pursuing your goals? Are you creating a life you're proud of? When you have a vision and you're actively working toward it, you radiate an energy that's impossible to ignore. Women don't just want a man, they want someone who inspires them. So whether it's advancing in your career, mastering a skill, or building a healthier lifestyle, your journey will naturally draw her in. And the best part? She'll miss you, because she'll feel like she's missing out on being part of something extraordinary. Remember, the goal isn't to manipulate her, it's to become a man worth missing. By mastering these psychological principles, being absent strategically, leaving her with positive emotions, staying mysterious, building independence, and living with purpose, you'll create a dynamic where she naturally starts to think about you more. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Comment below which trick you're going to try first, or share your own experiences. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep living your best life.